This is the man-set boat ramp in Southwest Harbor. You can see it's quite wide. It's about 40 feet wide. And we're at only about half tide today. So there it goes down into the water. So in just a minute, they are going to be backing the trailer with Petunia on it down the ramp and into the water. Here she comes, all rigged up and ready to launch. The bilge pump came on because there's still some water from swelling the hull inside. And here she goes into the water. And that is now is the wait to see how long it takes for the bilge pump to cycle, which will tell us just how much the boat took up. So the stern is floated off, and they will start the engine and back her off. It's like she's pretty nearly completely afloat. And they're going to just walk the boat back and tie it off on the float. And so far she seems to be taking up pretty well. He's lowering the pads on the stern of the boat, and now they'll walk her aft. And there she is, afloat. And they will just tie the boat off here for a little while they go to get a dinghy so they can take the boat out to its mooring, which is in Somme Sound. Now, I'm not sure they're going to take it all the way over there today because they still have to do a couple of things on board before they officially turn it over to the owner. For example, Ocean House launches a boat like this with an Ocean House battery in it, and when they're ready to turn the boat over to the owner, they'll swap out the Ocean House battery for the battery that came with the boat, so that the owner will have a fully charged battery and not have to worry about how much the initial bilge pump runs might have drawn the battery down. So I'm impressed. So far she's bilge pumps have not come on except for that brief time when they were backing her down and the water that was still in the boat ran aft and triggered them before the boat was actually in the water. And they're doing a little test on the engine, just putting it in forward and reverse. And now he'll pull the trailer out. And she'll be in the water for another season of sailing here on Mount Desert Island, Maine. And this boat goes up Somme Sound, so most of its sailing will be in Somme Sound over the course of the summer of 2019. So, well, I hope you enjoyed this little special presentation on the rigging and launching of a Gaff rigged wooden catboat. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you haven't already done so, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel. And here goes the trailer out from underneath. And I'd say she's officially launched for the season. So, thanks for watching.